L5 Remote. Use your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch to control all of your home entertainment and home automation devices. Control anything that comes with an infrared remote. First, launch the app. Then, at the prompt, tap Quick, which will place a simple remote on the screen ready to learn the signals from the original remote. Plug the accessory device into the dock connector and the screen will automatically rotate. Load the signals by pressing the button you want to assign and then the corresponding button on the original remote. I'll start with the volume up button. When the signal has been learned, the button will turn green. Press another button on the iPhone and the corresponding button on the original remote and repeat this process until all the buttons are green. Each button will take about a second. Now press Save and your remote is ready to use. For more information on the L5 Remote, visit us online at l5remote.com.